Hi, in this video today I want to show you how you can rinse through fresh water on your Bosch Tassimo Joy. You might want to do this because it's new, or you haven't used it in a while, or you've taken it out of storage, or possibly you've been making milky drinks and you just want to flush through some fresh water. So we need to get the service disc. On this one, the service disc is found just behind here. So take out your water tank and the service disc should be located just here. So we want to push back the water tank. Come round to the front. You can turn your machine on, obviously plug it in, turn it on, and we're going to put the service disc in barcode down. So it's going in like so. And now we're going to close the lid. Make sure you've got water in the tank in the back. The water at the moment is full in there. We're going to take this out and we're going to put a glass underneath here, and now we're just going to hit the button and it's just going to put through just water. Now I can already see there's horrible bits coming out of that water, so you can see why it's so important to rinse it through, because this machine hasn't been used in a long time. Otherwise you'd be drinking that, but you wouldn't realise it because it'd be coffee coloured. Now I'll show you the horrible stuff in there in a minute, but what you want to do is you want to wait until this stops flashing and it's just gone to steady now. That means it's safe to open this up. Don't do it straight away because you could burn yourself. And now we can open this up and we can take this out and we can put this back away. In my instance here, because it's so dirty, I'm going to rinse it through one more time. I'll probably do it 2 or 3 times, because check this out in here. If you look in there, can you see this horrible stuff all around the top there? Hopefully that's coming out in the camera. It's disgusting. So you can pour that away, or I've just got another cup here just to make it easy, just purely for the video. So I'm going to put it down again and I'm just going to do it one more time. I'm just going to fast forward through it. So there you go, you can see it's done now, but that's flashing, so do not open that up. Wait until it stops flashing. There we go. Now it's safe to open up. So you can see this one here is much cleaner than this one here, but it would be a good idea to let it go through once more, or maybe even twice more, make sure it's all clean. But you can see there's a huge difference between that one there and that one there. It shows you the importance of rinsing out. So when we're done, you're just gonna bring it back round here, take this out, put this away so you can use it another time. And now hopefully your coffee will taste nice and fresh. Thanks for watching.